Welcome back, it's Mr. Greenhands, is aka Rambo Greenhands, and I'm here at the allotment today, and I'm going to be finally, actually, wow, my voice sounds like there's a frog in my throat. Excuse me, guys. And we're going to plant some callaloo. What it is, I had a bit of a bed here, which is a dig bed, where I've covered it over with a black bit of sheet just to make sure it doesn't have a lot of grass growing underneath it. There's a few bits of grass growing in there. I'm gonna cut that out, get it out there and get planting. So, one sec. That is all done now, guys. The next thing now is to make sure I do some holes that I can get the compost in and get it sorted, and then I can get planting. And guys, it's super hot out here in the UK today. It's about 30 degrees. So that's why I'm here in the afternoon, really late in the afternoon, heading towards evening, because it's really hot. There's not a damn cloud in sight right now. So I don't think I wanted to be working the heat. No one wants to work in the heat, so I'm here now to do it now. And as you can hear in the background, these gentlemen who are from Jamaica, they're playing their dominoes, and you know how hot and heated the domino game can get. So please bear with me. If you do hear some profanity, that's not me. That is a gentleman having a discussion with the domino table. Now that's all over. All that's left now is to get this compost, which I purchased a brand new, and guys, I am sweating. Look at that. It's a hot day today, and even just digging those few holes there have made me broke out in sweat. Whoever think gardening or farming is easy, tell them to pack their bags and send them to the ocean. It's better for them there. So what I was going to use is this one here, Jack's Magic compost. It's actually mixed with some enriched seaweed, and it should be better because I hear a lot of people saying it's fantastic and blah blah blah. So I wanted to give my callaloo a better chance to just spring up quickly, because we are running out of the season, and see if they would produce something. So I'm going to use all-purpose compost, traditional blend. The company name is Wasteland, and it's Jack's Magic. Let's see if we can get everything that I have planted out in here with this, and see in a couple of weeks or a week if they can grow stronger, better and faster. Definitely it would be great if they were doing the faster part. Now that is over with, everybody has a little bit of Jack's Magic all-purpose compost in there. So next I'm just going to water it in and then start to pluck out the callaloo and plant them in and wish them all the best. The next thing I'll do is literally just wet the callaloo themselves, let the soil be a little bit moist, give it some moisture, and it increase the possibility of not damaging the callaloo when you're pulling them out as well. And here comes Mr. Dog from next door that doesn't know how to be quiet whenever you're doing a video. Now it's literally just plant them right in that moisture in the compost and let them grow and let them become amazing. And guys, I'm just putting one callaloo plant in each hole. And there you go guys, they're now planted, they're ready to go. The only final thing I need to do now, and that is to water them in, give it an extra boost so we can have a fantastic time of reaping, hopefully anyway. If August is nice and warm like it is right now, we should actually get a 1 cut. I'm just looking for really a 1 to 2 cuts of callaloo out of here, and I'm happy. 1 is better than none. And that's it guys, all done, all watered, all planted. Just all that is to make sure the sun comes out, fun comes out, and they can grow an amazing crop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you love what I'm doing, drop a little comment in there and let me know if I need to improve something, if I need to change something. Let me know. Positive and negative is always welcome, but please take care of yourself and the planet, because we have to.